The amount and nature of the demands of the police service. A. Clientele. B. Purpose. C. Time. D. Process. Answer C. Time. The PNP has a program that ensures the deployment of policemen in busy and crime-prone areas. This is called A. Patrol Deployment Program. B. Roving Patrol Program. C. Police and Visibility Program. D. Police Patrol Program. Answer C. Patrol and Visibility Program. All regional appointments of commissioned PNP officers commence with the rank of A. Police Master Sergeant. B. Police Lieutenant. C. Police Staff Sergeant. D. Police Captain. Answer B. Police Lieutenant. In busy and thickly populated and commercial streets like those in Divisoria, police patrol is very necessary. Since there are several types of patrol, which of the following will you recommend? A. Horse patrol. B. Mobile patrol. C. Foot patrol. D. Helicopter patrol. Answer C. Foot patrol. It is the product resulting from the collection, evaluation, analysis, and interpretation of all available information that concerns one or more aspects of criminal activity in which is immediately or potentially significant to police planning. A. Investigation. B. Information. C. Data. D. Intelligence. Answer D. Intelligence. These are work programs of line divisions which related to the nature and extent of the workload and the availability of resources. A. Administrative plan. B. Operational plan. C. Strategic plan. D. Tactical plan. Answer B. Operational plan. It is the premier educational institution for the police, fire, and jail personnel. A. Philippine Military Academy. B. Development Academy of the Philippines. C. Philippine College of Criminology. D. Philippine Public Safety College. Answer D. Philippine Public Safety College. A SOCO crew which is assigned to a team usually consists of A. A driver, specialist, and intelligence agent. B. A driver, evidence custodian, and traffic man. C. A driver, traffic man, and a recorder. D. A driver, team leader, and technicians. Answer D. A driver, team leader, and technicians. An industrial complex must establish its first line of physical defense. It must have A. The building itself. B. Perimeter barriers. C. Communication barriers. D. Window barriers. Answer B. Perimeter barriers. The highest rank enlisted personnel of the PNP. A. Police Staff Sergeant. B. Police Corporal. C. Police Chief Master Sergeant. D. Police Executive Master Sergeant. Answer D. Police Executive Master Sergeant.